Hello guys, welcome back to my channel today. Today we are going to start the linear search. So today I'll start the very basic of linear search where we'll explain how to do the linear search. And I'll start giving the example. Suppose we have to search in a bookshelf book and it is not arranged in the order. Then how we'll search? We have to go one by one and try to find the value in a bookshelf. So same concept will be applied here. Suppose we have to find some value, like I'll give the example. Suppose we have one input array where 1, 2, 3, 4 is 4 value is available, and we have to find the 3 value. So what will go? We'll go one by one. We need to find the 1 and then 2. So this is index 1. So this one value is available in the index 1, and this index, second index, then third index, then fourth index. So here you can find the value. We have to find this 3 value. And if you give this is the sorted. So here we can find it another method also. But if we'll take the example of this one, input array 10, 8, 30, 4, 5. This is not arranged in any order, and we have to find the 5 value. So what will go? We'll go by one, and then we'll try to find the value. So it is index 0, and then index 1, index 2. So here I will explain how it will happen. So we have to go one by one, index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3. And if we'll create the loop, we'll start search, and then initialize index 0, and then if conditions, its condition is less than array length, then it will go, and if we find the value, then we have to return the index and then end the loop. Either if we not find the value, so we have to just increase I plus 1 and then we'll start searching again. So this is the process of finding the value. And if in the end your loop is finished and it's not find the value, target not found, then loop will be executed. Loop will be end, and then we have to return index minus 1. So let me write the code for that. So we'll start writing code for integer I equal to 0, and it should be length of. So suppose here we take one variable integer n, and this will be array of length, and it loop will be execute till I less than n and I plus plus. And if x equal to arr of I, array of I, then we have to return index of I, whatever the value, which index this value will be available, we have to return that value. Either if it's not available, we just need to be return minus 1. So let's compile this code, and then we can see this value is executed and test case is passed. Now we'll submit the case. We'll check all the test cases and everything is passed. So here you can see that. So let me explain in the diagram one more time. So here we are starting from search from initialize index 0, and if I is less than array length, this loop will be executed and it will go array as equal to target. If this target is not available, loop will be increased by 1 and again it will search. And till now it will search when value will be find. If value will be find, it's written index I, and then loop will be end. Another case, if we don't find this value and target not found, in that case loop will be end and return -1 value. So here we can see the example. If you will take the custom input, I'll give some custom input where this value is really not available, and let's see. So here we just need to compile and run. So it's x equal to 1, and then here you can see your output is -1. So this is the value we expected because 5 is not available here. That's why we are getting a -1. So this is a very simple example of linear search. And after that, we'll start another performance of the array, and we'll try to search the binary search. So linear search only we have to do where array is not sorted. It is in not in sequence, it's in the random order. In that case, we have to use the linear search, and the order of n, complexity of this code will be the order of n. And in the worst case scenario, we'll get value in the end time. Suppose this value will be in the end of the array, it will be the worst case. And if suppose it is available in the first value, suppose we started our loop and we are need to try to find the one value. In that case, it's order of n, but on average, it's order of n. So this is from today, and tomorrow we'll start some other topic. We'll try to work on the binary search, and then I'll start taking another. Thank you. Thank you all.